Hello everyone, and thank you for coming back to my channel. I just love cars. You know what? Thanks for tuning back in. I know it's not like a big, really like a supercar, update, whatever. Not yet. Maybe one day. Here we are, we're going to be working today again on a Honda CRZ. I got some updates. I got a brand new, well, not brand new, but a used boot lid, which is the trunk, whatever you want to call it, back trunk, rear trunk, the big, thing that goes in the back. So I got another one coming with the same color. Literally take the old one, damaged one, put a new one on, which I'm sure it's not going to fit properly because obviously the back is pushed in a little bit. And oh yeah, got a brand new mat carpets for the front of the car from Honda. That was a really good price. I'm really happy about that. And I got to give a little shout out to Cox Motor Parts. I believe that .co.uk. Don't ever buy parts from Honda.com or Honda.uk. Cox Motor Parts is so much better, so much cheaper, and they're not even sponsoring this video. Not yet. Maybe one day. So yeah, let's take the bumper off and see the real damage behind it. That was quite easy actually. All there was a screw literally in here, and the screw in there, which is damaged actually from the bumper, which we're going to take it off. One here on the bottom, same thing on the other side. And now we have completely taken the bumper off. Love Honda for that, really do. If you're not thinking about it, I might be able to actually salvage this bumper because it doesn't really have like bad damage to it, just a little bit fixed here. Obviously that needs to be straightened out. That too. You know what, I don't really think I'm gonna need a new bumper, just a new parking sensor, right? So yeah, looking at the damage at the moment, it is not bad whatsoever. It's literally changing crash bar because obviously you have broken here, kind of punctured metal, however you want to call it. And so change that, just literally straighten this out, pull it out from the inside, and Bob's your uncle. Just get maybe this fixed or just repaired nicely like this one, It's not bad whatsoever. I'm actually quite happy with this. So the next thing we're going to be doing is going to be taking this crash bar off. Once we get this off, we can see more damage, if there's any. Yeah, let's do this. So we'll take a 13mm socket here. And same. And take it off. Then we do this side, and just like that. Yep, just like that. I wish it was simple. It wouldn't be Honda way. One came out, no problem. Second freaking bolt completely snapped. And this one was an absolute nightmare. On this side, no problem. That came out okay, that came out okay, and that came out quite okay. You can see the difference in bolts. Driver's side, all rusty bolts. Passenger side, really nice and clean bolts. We're gonna have to drill this one out and put a new one later on once we receive that crash bar. So yeah, this needs straightening out. This needs straightening out just for the bumper. Let's try pulling this out. You're gonna see the full damage once we take all this plastic out. Well, I'm trying to take all this out. It's kind of going okay here, but maybe because due to the weight of these things, I can't get it out. So let's get rid of this and all that crap inside here, and then try to take this out. So we'll kind of get in there. Unfortunately, due to this big cable wire, it's not letting this move freely. Don't really want to damage this. It's under styrofoam. If I do damage it, I suppose not too big of a deal. Gonna have to look for another one. And just like that, with some brute force, we got this out. So we got that out. All the tools. And here we are. This is the battery pack, which is, thank God it's not damaged, nothing. All the cables, wires are still there. This is literally a little grommet for the boot. All there is literally push this out to its original position as much as I can without obviously damaging the battery. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I know, using some unorthodox old-time methods. You should use, whatever you got. So the biggest crease is literally there. So put that in there, you press it, push this against that, and it's already halfway there. This is nice and sturdy, so this is not going anywhere. This is obviously against this, and you're just pushing it out. Soon before you know it, this is going to be straight. Well, boys and girls, after some time of messing around, I'm happy to report that we're getting there, It's looking pretty shazzy-bazzy. Looking pretty good. Gotta still straighten this out. This part here is like a little belly is sticking out. But other than that, I'm actually quite happy. It still looks bad here, but it's not nowhere near as bad. Just needs to literally come this part, bring it out, and we should be done. So hopefully by the end of today, we're gonna have a nice straight-ish back. Well, welcome back. Very quick one. Yeah, on the camera it looks quite bad actually still, but trust me, it's nowhere near as bad. And the moment of truth is actually, if we do close this boot lid, it closes. It closed before, but obviously don't worry about this. Like I said, I got another one coming in. Now the problem that I had before was I could not lock the car. I could unlock, everything would work, but I couldn't lock it. Ooh, moment of truth. Yep, it works. So that means it's straight enough, the whole thing to go down without any issues. All right, let's straighten it a little bit more and come back. Well, you just look at that. Looking good. All I gotta do is just literally put some sealant in there, put some sealant in here, and you know what? I'm freaking really happy with this. I'm not worried about what it looks like here. Looks like a can, literally like a soft drink can just been crumbled up. Now the moment of truth, as you can see, this obviously has already deformed because it's been after the accident. Make sure the cables are fine. Wow, look at that. Fits like a glove. And look at that. Look how much it was basically damaged here. And look how much I managed to push it back. And now, another moment of truth. Wow. Closes perfectly. Look at that. Obviously, this is, you can't really look at this, the massive gap, because this one has been pushed here, I'm sure it's been pushed up as well. So I cannot wait to get the new boot lid. Yeah. So, thank you for watching my channel. I'm sorry, I'm really sweaty, but I shall see you in the next few days with another boot lid, and we'll be changing that. Then we're gonna have to put this light on a new one. So yeah, and then don't know what we're gonna do with the bumper. Probably gonna send it off and we'll get it repaired. So thanks again for watching. Peace out. See you next time.